Hey guys, today I'm going to make an Easter egg. The materials are vinegar, water, food coloring or egg dye, an egg, and a bowl. So let's get started. First, fill up the pan with water. Then, gently place the egg down. Now, turn the nozzle. Let's wait till the egg boils. Let's pour water into the bowl. This should be enough. Then some food coloring. I chose red. Then pour some vinegar. Now, place the egg inside. Wait for 5 minutes. By the way, we also need markers, a paper towel, and a spoon. Now it's time to get the egg. Now let's take it out. Wait for it to dry a bit. Now it's finally dry, so let's draw a face. Here it is! I drew the Lenny face! Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Have an excellent day!